button. Beep boop. Beep boop. We hippos love our belly bees. They're round and cute and funny. And there's a place we take them to when summer days are sunny. Come on. Beep boop.
Beep boop.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Ah, look at all the hippos with a belly button each. Do you wonder where we are? It's Belly Button Beach, where tons of hippos stand around in bathing suits too little because they hope you will admire the button on their middle. Beep boop. We don't do much throughout the day. That's how we like it best. We nibble grapes, we watch the waves, we take a little rest. We always love to get balloons, and I know why. Do you? Because balloon! Because we like to think balloons have belly buttons too. Boon! He calls it a boon. Boon! What is that, Lawrence?
Boon.
Boon. Soon after dark, upon the beach, we sing our favorite song. And if you're feeling in the mood, we hope you'll sing along. Belly button, you're so fine. Oh, belly button, I'm so happy you're mine. We sing the song on summer nights or when it's hot outside, but never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. No, never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. Bye-bye, Beep-boo. Bye-bye, Beep-boo. Beep-boo. The end. Beep-boo. Where's your Beep-boo? Ah, Beep-boo.